How to crochet a macaroons. Hello, welcome to Ali Crochet. For today's video, I'm going to show you the super easy macaroons video tutorial. So I am using a 4mm crochet hook, tapestry needle, a pair of scissors, and 2 colors of yarn of your choice. This is worsted yarn, acrylic. So first you have to do the magic ring, chain 1, and put 6 single crochet into the ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the ring, slip stitch into the beginning single crochet, chain 1. Now you are going to put 2 single crochet in each of the following 6 stitches, and you should have a total of 12 stitches into the second round. Slip stitch into the beginning single crochet, chain 1, and now we are going to increase again, which is single crochet into the same stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, again single crochet into the next stitch, and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So continue doing this pattern all the way around, and you should have a total of 18 stitches in your third round. Slip stitch into the beginning stitch, chain 1, then we're increasing again, which is single crochet into the first stitch, single crochet into the next, and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Again, single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. And that's our 4th round. And slip stitch into the beginning stitch, chain 1, and this time we are going to single crochet all the way around, and you should have a total of 24 stitches. This time you don't need to slip stitch, you have to cut your yarn first, pull up the loop, the yarn, then use your tapestry needle and insert your hook into the top 2 loops of your beginning stitch. Then insert the hook, the needle, into the center of that last stitches, including the back loops, and you should have a total of 25 stitches. So make 2 sides or 2 pieces of this so we can put it together like a sandwich. And this time we are going to work only in the back loop of each side. Insert your hook in both back loops only. Then grab your second color of yarn. I'm choosing red. and we are going to slip stitch each and every stitches back loop only. So follow the video. You don't need to chain one, you just go ahead and insert the hook into both back loops of your work, then grab the yarn under, grab the yarn, and then you slip stitch. So continue doing this until you have left a small hole so we can put a stuffing inside. So once you reach the part that you are going to put the stuffing, take note, do not put too much of the stuffing because if it's too bulky, it's not really good. So go ahead and continue slip stitching until you totally close the project. So that's our last slip stitches, and cut the yarn, leave allowance for the sewing, pull up the yarn, and use your tapestry needle to close. And we are doing this to have our seamless project. So insert in both loops and insert into the center again. That's how you do it if you want your project to be seamless. And here you have it. This is a super easy macaroons. Thank you again for watching. This is Ali Crochet once again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share my video tutorial for today. Thank you again, and God bless you all. Bye!